Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be talking about Builderall pricing. Basically, Builderall has two types of pricing, so I will explain everything about Builderall pricing and plans. But if you do not know what is Builderall, I have did a complete review of Builderall. You also get a free 14 days trial if you want to test out their platform. Plus, I also have recorded a video with regard to Builderall affiliate program. So you can check out these videos, and links of these videos are in the description of this video. Plus, you can also follow my channel for more videos like this regarding the digital marketing, blogging, and all that. Okay, so let me tell you what is Builderall. Builderall basically is an all-in-one digital marketing platform where you can build website, where you can build sales funnels, where you can build your blogs, you have email marketing, autoresponder, you have push funnels, and a lot of tools. Builderall has 30 plus digital marketing tools under one roof for one price. So you and they are seamlessly integrated with each other, so you can try out their platform. It's an amazing platform and best alternative to ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels only allows you to build websites and sales funnels. But with Builderall you have autoresponder, you have push funnels, you have social proofs, browser notification, and all that. If you want to know about Builderall, more about it, I have a link of the text review plus a video of Builderall in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check out the review, and you can also check how Builderall work and all that. Okay, so let me tell you about the Builderall pricing plan. Builderall has two type of pricing plan. So we believe in price under pricing and over delivering as their theme. So Builderall had two type of plans. One is Builderall plans and one is Builderall WordPress plan. So what is the difference? Let me tell you about the difference first. The difference is in the WordPress, in the Builderall plan, you have only access to all the Builderall tools inside the Builderall platform. You have their Builderall plans, their all tools. But in WordPress plan, you can use WordPress, you can build WordPress websites, and you will get free hosting or dedicated hosting from the Builderall. So they charge a little bit, a small penny of amount for their WordPress hosting. So you can have everything under one roof. If you want to run your online business, or you already have a business which you want to go online, so what you can do, you can join Builderall and you can build your entire business inside the Builderall. They have WordPress, they have sales funnel, they have website builder, they have blog builder, they have social proof, they have social automation tool, they have autoresponder, they have social proof, and a lot of tools. I can't explain everything in this video because it's going to be very long. So let's talk about the Builderall pricing plan in this video. And they have two types of plan, as I told you. And under the two types of plan, Builder plan and WordPress plan, they have basically four plans. So Cheetah, Marketer, Premium, Funnel Club. All right. Here you have WP Cheetah, Marketer, WP Marketer, WP Premium, and WP Funnel. So let's talk about first Builder plan. So Builder plan, in the Cheetah plan you get, it's very cheap. It's 14.90 per month, which allows you to connect your one domain, three subdomains, and you can host your 2000 subscribers. Plus you also get 2 GB of disk space. So you can't install the WordPress, all right, in the Builder plan. In the market plan you can have three domains, five subdomains, unlimited subscribers. This is very unique about the Builderall. You can host your unlimited number of email subscriber inside their mailing boss platform, which is very unique to the other platforms, because they only allowed on a monthly basis that 300 people for that price, 500 people for that price. So it's really very unique about the Builderall. All right. So next is the premium plan, which allows you to which they charge is 79.90 per month. It's a maximum plan. It is the very maximum plan. In the premium plan you have 15 domains. That's the maximum limit in all the plan. Unlimited subdomains, unlimited subscriber, 10 GB of disk space, all tools and templates. Plus automatic approval as an affiliate. As you know that Builderall is has two tier affiliate program. If you want to know more about Builderall affiliate program, I have a video Builderall affiliate program review you can read, and I have also showed my income report and all that in that video. All right. So then we have Funnel Club. Funnel Club is their highest plan. After that, they will never ask you for an upgrade, and there's no OTOs. It has 15 domain capability, unlimited subdomains, unlimited subscribers, 10 GB of disk space, all the tools and templates plus funnels, plus add an automatic approval as a funnel as an affiliate. So this plan is 79.90 per month, but for the first month you will have to pay $199 for the first time because it's Funnel Club. So if you want to promote Builderall, it's for the advanced marketer. If you want to promote Builderall, then you can use their own sales funnels. You can use their own pages to promote Builderall. All right, this is the Builder plan. So the only difference between the Builder plan and WordPress plan is that you get WordPress cloud server, 1 CPU, 2 GB RAM, 10 GB or hard disk, plus you can connect unlimited domains inside your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is the highest plans. This is the highest plan they have right now. This the WP Cheetah that's builder plan is here is 1490 and it's 1990, and all other plan this market is 6990, it's 7990, 7990 and 7990 plus 199 first month. So the basic difference is that in the WordPress plan you also get 1 GB, 1 CPU, 2 GB RAM, 10 GB of hard disk, which is WordPress basic cloud server. It's a dedicated cloud server. So this is the basic difference between their WordPress plan and Builderall plan. There was a lot of confusion about this. So if you want to check out their special offer, if you want to try out Builderall's special offer that is going on a new year offer on Builderall, you can check out the link in the description of this video. You will not find this offer on their page. It is a special offer for the affiliates who are continuously promoting Builderall. So I am giving that link to you. If you want to check out their platform, you can save a ton of money. Plus, if you want to try it out Builderall, I have also given a free trial link where you do not have to enter your credit card and you can test out their platform. So I hope this video was helpful, and it was all about Builderall pricing plans and how these pricing plans are going to be. So this all about is Builderall pricing and plans. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to watch videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up to this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Have fun.